Those brand new shoes, they could have been made by some of today's 40 million modern day slaves. Those trendy denim jeans, they could have contaminated over 10,000 litres of fresh water during production, the equivalent of a small pool. This white t-shirt, it's been transported from Central America, emitting around 40 times more CO2 than if it were locally sourced. Modern slavery, overconsumption of water, and climate change are consequences of unethical practices in the supply chains that provide us what we eat, what we wear, and what we consume each day. We think that it's time to be honest about how we shop. Through Honestly, our online shopping browser extension, we provide consumers transparency into how their purchases are produced, sourced, and transported. Meet Yash. Like many, COVID pushed him to do most of his shopping online. Like many of his mates, Yash cares about the environment and does not wish to support unethical business practices. With Honestly, Yash finally has the transparency he's looking for. Today, Yash wants to buy some shoes, but he wants to make sure he is not inadvertently supporting an unethical business. After adding Honestly as a Chrome extension, Yash finds a fresh pair of shoes that he wants to buy. Honestly acts as an assistant, alerting Yash to any bad news that the brand has been linked to, displaying a list of relevant ratings compiled from external bodies, and aggregating and assessing supply chain data on the selected product. Yash can now feel confident about his purchase, and Yash isn't alone. According to a recent study, 9 out of 10 Australian consumers are more likely to purchase ethical and sustainable products. For a subscription fee, Honestly offers a platform for businesses to share their ethical and sustainable operations and receive brand recognition. This is important as consumers are increasingly willing to spend more on sustainable and ethical products. On a technical note, Honestly is run on a node engine with a SQL database. The critical news events are scraped by the News API and passed by the Watson Natural Language Understanding engine. Ratings are pulled from various APIs and the web. The supply chain information of each individual product is plugged through a key into the business's supply chain management software and compared against industry benchmarks. Our timeline includes an alpha release of core functionalities by December, with further functionalities such as enhanced UX and gamification to be completed for a launch in the following February. Finally, we hope to expand into other industries and eventually provide functionality for all consumer goods. Our solution can be easily adapted to a wide range of businesses who want to offer greater supply chain transparency to their consumers. It's time for all of us to do business and consume honestly.